So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to build a Shopify store with Google AntiGravity. So guys, if you want to create the Shopify, so guys it is very easy. And here you see there is that I am using the AntiGravity IDE. So guys, basically if you want to use the AntiGravity, so guys you need, instead of creating the whole Spotify store, you just use the its agent. How you use it? So guys, here you see there is a one split icon. So when you click here, so it shows that toggle agent. Okay, so you simply click on the option of toggle agent, and guys here you see simply search your BL. Okay, if you want to change the folder, so you also change the folder. Otherwise you simply search build a Shopify store and simply hit the enter button. Now guys, it start working, and also you get the preview. Okay, so guys here you see it's analyze, and it will check the it asks for notification, you just leave it. So guys here it's create a one folder where you can get all these settings and your file. Okay, first it install the npm version. First is checking the npm module and the version. It install the waiting for the user input. So yeah, allow this time, submit the command line. Okay, now it's check our version of our node as well as our npm version. Okay, now it's implementation the plan, so you simply give to the proceed. Okay, I will create the task.md file to track what you do. Now here it's create a white that helps to create the folder. Okay, now it install the available templates, so you use any of them, just submit it. Okay, yes, allow this time, yes, allow this time. Command line, it asks a lot of these things, so you just allowed. Now it's a create a complete workspace folder. Okay, and now it's ask you allow to running command, which is it try to move into the your main folder. Okay, so here you got allowed, then again allowed, and guys you just here you see I stored the hello.java and hello.py in the workspace. So you just add it, and it asks to edit, and it starts editing. Okay, so it's analyze the package resolution, then again allow. It need to install some npm and install liquid react